These are the Klipsch T5 True Wireless Sport. They are a true wireless headphone and they look really cool. I'm Josh Smith with GuidingMobile.com. We're here checking out these new sport-oriented headphones. The case is designed to look like one of those rugged cases that you put your phone or gadget in. There's a lock, there's a locking system, and then when you open it up, you have access to the headphones and the charging port in there. It also has a moisture dispersion system, so if you put your headphones in here and they're a little damp or they got some water on them, this is going to help suck that water away so that you don't ruin your headphones or that you don't, put a soggy headphone in your ear later. They charge via USB-C, and you have the left and the right there. This is in black, and then we have this nice beige kind of sand option that looks really cool. And as you get closer here, you can see some of the design details. There's a variety of earbud tips available so that you can find something that fits in your ear. If you go with one of their higher end models, which is the T5 True Wireless with ANC, it has a built-in operating system and it's $299. It can track and do some controls with head gestures, which is pretty cool. So definitely check out this lineup from Klipsch. There's a lot of interesting options, a variety of price points, and something you need to look at before you pick out true wireless earbuds in 2020. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below and let us know what you think of these models.